If you're craving crispy, golden perfection at home, the right deep fryer can make all the difference. From smart features to family-sized capacities, we've rounded up 5 top-rated deep fryers that deliver restaurant-quality results right from your kitchen. Here's a closer look at what makes each one stand out. Number 1. Breville Smart Fryer Review. The Breville Smart Fryer is a powerful 1800W deep fryer with a 4-quart, 3.8 L, oil capacity, ideal for family-sized portions. Its brushed stainless steel design looks sleek and modern on any kitchen counter. What makes it stand out are its 7 preset cooking functions, including options for fries, fish, wings, donuts, and even frozen items. The LCD digital display is easy to read, and the Cool Zone technology helps prevent burning and extends oil life. Cleanup is simple with a removable, dishwasher-safe oil vessel. Pros: smart presets for easy frying. Cool Zone tech reduces burning. Large capacity. Easy to clean design. Cons: takes up counter space. Pricier than basic models. If you're looking for a smart, easy-to-use fryer with great features and performance, the Breville Smart Fryer is worth considering. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer Review. If you love making crispy fried foods at home, the Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer is a solid pick. With a generous 4.5-liter, 19-cup, oil capacity, it lets you fry up to 12 cups of food at once, perfect for family dinners or parties. The dual baskets are a game changer, allowing you to cook 2 items simultaneously. I also appreciated the vented lid and viewing window, which helped reduce splatter while letting me monitor the food. Cleanup was a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe enamel-coated oil pot and baskets. The 1800-watt heating element delivers fast, even frying every time. Pros: large capacity. Dual baskets. Easy to clean. Viewing window reduces mess. 5-year warranty. Cons: takes up counter space. Manual temperature control only. Great for home cooks who want pro-level results. Number 3. Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer Review. The Chefman XL Deep Fryer is a fantastic addition to any home kitchen, especially if you love preparing fried favorites like chicken, fries, or shrimp. With its generous 4.5-liter oil capacity, it easily handles large batches, perfect for family meals or parties. The 1700-watt heating element ensures quick, even cooking, while the adjustable temperature and timer offer full control. What makes it even more appealing is its mess-free design, thanks to a viewing lid, basket clip for oil drainage, and dishwasher-safe parts. The magnetic breakaway cord adds a layer of safety, minimizing accidents during use. Pros: large 4.5-liter capacity. Adjustable temp and timer. Easy cleanup with removable parts. Viewing window and safety cord. Cons: takes up counter space. No digital controls. A great pick for anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home. Number 4. Presto Fry Daddy Electric Deep Fryer Review. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use deep fryer, the Presto Fry Daddy is a game changer. This lightweight, 1200-watt fryer uses just 4 cups of oil to make 4 servings, perfect for small households or quick snacks. It heats up fast and automatically maintains the right frying temperature, delivering crispy results every time. The PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, while the included scoop simplifies draining and serving. Its snap-on lid helps with oil storage and prevents messy splatters. Pros: compact and space-saving design. Fast preheat and consistent results. Easy to clean ceramic non-stick surface. Handy scoop and snap-on lid included. Great value for small kitchens. Cons: not ideal for large batches. No adjustable temperature settings. Lacks a traditional fry basket. A solid, fuss-free choice for everyday frying. Number 5. Sakura 1700 Watt Triple Basket Deep Fryer Review. If you love hosting or have a big family, the Sakura 1700 Watt Stainless Steel Deep Fryer is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. Its standout feature is the triple basket setup, 1 jumbo and 2 side by side, perfect for frying multiple foods at once without mixing flavors. With 1700 watts of power, it heats up fast and maintains temperature well. The 4-liter oil tank is removable for easy cleanup, and the built-in odor filter keeps smells contained. A 60-minute timer with auto shut-off adds peace of mind while cooking. Pros: triple basket versatility. Heats up and recovers quickly. Removable oil tank for easy cleaning. Built-in odor filter and timer. Cons: takes up considerable counter space. The lid window may fog during frying. Overall, it's a powerful and practical deep fryer for serious home cooks. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.